Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager immediately. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and go straight to details. Once there, enable useful columns like PID, CPU, and memory so you can see what matters. You should identify the game process by name and note its PID. Then, make sure system-critical processes remain untouched. Your changes should target the game and non-essential apps. This first pass prepares you to act precisely and avoids accidental system instability while optimizing performance for gaming. Once done identifying targets, selectively end or suspend non-essential apps like chat clients, updaters, and heavy background tasks to free CPU and memory. Next, right-click the game process and set priority to high. This boosts scheduling without the risks of real-time. If you have a multi-core CPU, you set affinity to bind the game to specific cores or performance cores. This reduces contention. Throughout, monitor CPU and memory columns so you can reverse any change that causes instability or stutter. To finish, close Task Manager carefully so you don't accidentally reset settings. Your affinity and priority remain until reboot. Use Resource Monitor to check disk and network spikes that could cause micro-stutters and correlate those spikes with in-game lag. If the game crashes or stutters after adjustments, revert the priority and affinity to normal and restart the game. Also update GPU/network drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, undo the last change and test again, eliminating variables one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.